What's good, y'all? We are back with we're here with the upset of the week. Let's jump into it. Falcons versus 49ers. I said this too, but I was like, I wouldn't be surprised. I said I wouldn't be surprised if the Falcons beat the 49ers. Not because the 49ers doing bad or anything, but the Falcons have been playing good. So, but this is just a waste of a season for Atlanta, bro. Because they started off so bad. If they would have started off how they been playing the second half of the season, or at least, you know, this past couple wins that they got, because they got a good roster. They're not bad. It's just I don't know. You know, I don't know why they started off so bad. But I haven't seen any of the highlights, so this is all new to me. So. Most have been showing up. Like, I haven't even been seeing much of Tevin Coleman at all, and I thought he was gonna be the best running back that they had. Oh, who's that? Is that Witherspoon? Witherspoon? 1, 2. Oh my gosh! Yeah, that dude a beast. Julio probably best in the league, in my opinion. I'll take him over all the receivers. Yeah, he's best in the league. Back to him. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, Tevin. Well, his former team. Nice. Oh my gosh. Good defense, kill. Okay, that was a nice ball. He threw. Oh my gosh. He threw it like ahead of him, like so he could catch it in the motion of running. That was pretty nice. Madden needs to add that in the game for sure. They be doing on Madden, bro. They throw the dumbest passes on screens. Like it just don't make no sense. Man, Bosa, bro. He is not playing like a rookie. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, that was a nasty stiff for him. Yeah, it looked like he was still on top of dude.
Must have a clear recovery. It is Falcons football. Devondre Campbell.
Oh wow.
You can see because they will become that they can pull off this upset.
Kenyon Barner backing up to the 10. Slips a tackle.
Oh my gosh. I was just thinking in my head, I'm surprised he didn't wave that off. He didn't fair catch it.
First and goal, San Francisco. Garoppolo for the end zone. Touchdown 49ers. It's Kyle Juszczyk. The extra point suddenly. It's a 9. 3rd and 5 for Ryan. He's got time. He dumps it for a first down.
Bro, Julio getting it in.
Gets inside the 45. Ryan. Airing it out deep.
He got that. Oh, hey, nice play. Nice play by the DB. Okay, he grabbed him, I guess. Yeah, okay.
Right score. Allison is in. He gets the carry. Powers ahead. Touchdown.
He had a good preseason, if I'm not mistaken. They got some nice play calling. Like, it's a lot of misdirection, a lot of yeah, I guess a lot of misdirection, a lot of deception. Oh, what? Come on, George. Wait, running too fast. His arms can't keep up. I thought he about to put his shoulder down. I'm not gonna lie. This man Julio, bro. Wow, so they about to score. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Where is it? Go for two, go for two. Wow. Oh. Oh, he kept it. Oh.
Close. And again, if there's
Ooh.
Ryan for the win. No, Jones catches it, but not in the end zone. So
now the other thing is the clock. They would have to look at when the ball broke the play, was there time remaining? And they could put time back on the clock in that.
Oh snap!
good point, Dean. It looked like there was 1 second.
I need a better angle. We got it.
But this, as you said,
Oh yeah, he did. Wow, and that was super close too.
so they didn't try a 2-point attempt because they didn't want to give the 49ers a chance to return for points there. And now the 49ers will try and be creative as the clock has expired. And once this is blown dead, the game is over.
Oh my gosh!
And the Falcons are going to get a late
Wow!
who had his first career touchdown catch.
Wow! Bro, Falcons, why wasn't y'all doing this at the beginning of the season, bro? It would have been nice to see y'all in the playoffs. That's man, come on, man. But we're gonna end it there. I mean, 49ers still a threat, but that shows they could be beat. I mean, they already got beat, but they got beat by the by playoff teams, you know. So appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. This really kind of throws off the power rankings now a little bit. Yeah, comment, subscribe, stay tuned, stay blessed.